Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen with the link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans.
And this is Miles.
And it's time for another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang, the professional mukbang show, where we try something spicy and you get to just kind of sit there and watch. And we generally don't really freak out all that much.
Oh.
Yeah, no freaking out. Anyways, today we've got this. This is Bulldog Carbo Tteokbokki. It's rice cakes with a carbo sauce. And yeah, here's what it looks like. Well, shall we start with our standard sip of beverage?
Yep.
So you ready to try this?
I'm ready.
I think you'll like it.
I don't know.
Okay, well, ready, set,
Go.
go.
I dropped it.
Pick it up. Eat it.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No.
You didn't even take a bite of it.
It's hot.
Not real. It's spicy, but yeah, you gotta eat some of it, dude. It's chewy. That's as far you're tapping out already.
I'll try again one more time.
All right, that's a champ. Yeah, just get one of them and then like stab through it really good. And just try it from the edge. Do you still not like it?
I like the tteokbokki, but not the sauce.
Oh, really? I would thought it would have been the opposite. I would have thought you liked the sauce, but not the tteokbokki. Well, I like it both. It's pretty good. You really don't like the sauce, huh?
No.
Okay, you don't have to eat it.
I'm not hungry.
Okay. No problem. So Miles is giving it a no on this one. But you like the tteokbokki, huh?
Uh-huh.
Interesting. It's a lot chewier than noodles. I would say you're probably giving this a 0 star for the sauce.
Yeah, the sauce 0, but the tteokbokki is really good.
Well, they make all sorts of different tteokbokki varieties at Bulldog. Well, we are going to Asian groceries today,
Okay.
so maybe we'll find a different tteokbokki we can try.
Yeah. Maybe the original one.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Done. Well, that's like the first one you really haven't liked.
Oh.
Yeah. So, by the way, here you go. You got a bunch of death sauce on your face. But the one that you've liked a lot and you've had twice and eaten the whole thing recently was Indomie.
Yeah.
You really like that stuff, huh? That's cool. Yeah, I really like it too.
I like the original one, having it with dinner.
Yeah, they make a few different kinds. Most of the ones that don't have soup, you're gonna find over in Indonesia. But what do we have here? I think we've got the regular, we've got the hot and spicy, and we've got the barbecue chicken one. I didn't like that one so much. You might like that.
Yeah.
So, yeah. All right, well, you tried something new. Very cool. This has been Hans.
And this has been Miles.
Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles and tteokbokki.
Every day and each and every day.
Indeed. Have a good one.
Goodbye.